Welcome to qnawire.
We can write the position of car 1 as velocity times time, so 10t. We can write the position of car 2 as its 200-meter head start minus 10t, and we have the minus because they're traveling towards each other in opposite directions. Now, they'll collide when x1 is equal to x2, or 10 times t is equal to 200 minus 10 times t. Solving for t, we get t is equal to 10 seconds. And we're told that the grasshopper is traveling at 15 meters per second relative to the ground. And so if he's traveling at this speed for 10 seconds, then since distance is just velocity times time, then the grasshopper travels, let me note this as xg, the distance traveled by the grasshopper, it's simply equal to 15 times 10, which is equal to 150 meters.